Hello everyone, this is Shirley from BeUDMKE Motor. So today we will show another the motor and the controller the Y connection. First, let's have a look about all of the spare parts here. So this one is a power supplier for the controller. The rated voltage for this power supplier is 48. So this is a BeUDMKE motor. The specification for this motor is the 90 volts and 48 voltage, and the rated speed is 1500 RPM per minute. And this is a 1 gearbox. The gear ratio is 100. So it means the output rated speed after the gearbox is 15, I mean the 15 RPM per minute. And this too is a double shafter from customer. They need this one for their setup. Let's have a look about the Y connection. So here we have the DC positive, and this is the DC negative. The input rated voltage need to be same as the rated voltage for this motor. It should be 48. And then this is the phase wires. The red color is U, yellow color is V, and black color is W. These 5 wires is the Hall wires. And then we have the RV. This RV is for the internal speed adjustment switch in the controller itself. And this one is a switch which we add for the customer for their easy processing for the power on and off and the direction change. Okay, let's power on and have a look. So power on. When we power on, the light for the controller will turn to green. It means all of the wires is connected correct. And here, the motor is running now. And this one, we can use this switch for the speed adjustment. We can make the speed to be slowly and faster. And here, you can stop here and change the direction. This is a CW. Another direction. Okay, that's all. If you have any questions, you can just let us know and send a message to us. Follow Shirley, your trusted BeUDMKE motor partner in China. Thank you. See you next time.